Good morning, students. Let us welcome to the 4th class Eco Smart lesson. In the last class, we have seen what do you mean by extinction. But now, in this part, we will observe what are different natural calamities. Now we can see flash floods. You can see a lot of water. What are flash floods? Lot of water hitting, crushing down the land, carrying out all the things which come in its way. Why this causes? It causes because of heavy rainfalls, obstructing the natural flow of water, rapid industrialization, construction of houses, concrete jungles. These are the reasons for these floods. These floods bring a lot of loss to the property and the lives of the people, and they left a misery to the mankind. Surrounding environment, including all other animals and plants, will be affected because of these flash floods. Students, one side we see floods, other sides we can see forest fires, drought conditions, very imbalance on this mother planet, Earth. Why this is happening? This is because of our own mistakes. Nature always have its own balance, but due to our mistakes, like deforestation, construction of houses, buildings, completing the earth, occupying the earth, rapid industrialization, rapid pollution, this brings rainless condition in the atmosphere, and weather will be disturbed, no proper rains, and total earth will be ruined. As a result, you can see a lot of smoke, pollution, and disturbance in the climate, and drastic conditions will occur. Okay, it is happening, but is it possible? Is it any method to save our earth? Yes, we can save children. As a small children, 4th class children, we have to develop eco-friendly, eco-smart behavior. For example, we should follow some small tips in our life to protect our planet. What are that? There are some tips. For example, you plant a tree, not one tree, many trees. You take care of the plant. We should protect the animals. We should save water. It is very precious. We should save electricity in our houses. We should try to walk rather than going on bikes. Ban plastics as it is causing disaster. Glass should be recycled. Plastic should be recycled. And mostly we should bring awareness in our surroundings. Thank you, students. I hope you all implement this.